Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation before bedtime. By practicing this meditation each night, you'll prepare your mind and body for deep, restorative sleep. Find a comfortable position in your bed. Adjust yourself if needed, and when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Start by taking a few deep breaths. In through the nose and out through the nose or mouth. As you inhale, invite a sense of calm. As you exhale, let go of the day. Whatever happened today, it's in the past now. Tomorrow is a new day. And this moment is for you to unwind and let go. Feel your body begin to relax as you breathe naturally at your own pace. Notice how your belly and torso gently rise and fall with each breath. Observe the sensations here. The way your body expands and contracts with each inhale and exhale. Relax into this flow, accepting that everything is constantly changing, including how you feel right now. Now bring your attention to your shoulders. Invite them to release and relax. Exhale deeply as you feel any tension in your shoulders dissolve. Let go of the weight of the day. As you scan the rest of your body, ask yourself, are there any other muscles holding tension? If so, invite those muscles to relax as well. Feel the heaviness of your body sinking deeper into the comfort of your bed. With every breath, your body becomes more relaxed and the weight of the day slips away. It's safe to let go now. The day is done, and it's time for renewal. Now breathe into a sense of gratitude for the day that has passed. No matter what happened today, you've been given the gift of another day in your life. Breathe in this feeling of appreciation. And as you exhale, feel yourself relax even more deeply into your body. Let gravity take over, allowing your muscles to soften and your mind to unwind. As you breathe, know that with each exhale, you are releasing anything weighing you down. Every breath you take is a step toward waking up, refreshed and renewed tomorrow. Now imagine that with every inhale, you are breathing in a soothing, loving light. Feel this light filling your lungs, flowing through your entire body as you exhale. Let this gentle light bring peace to every cell in your body, relaxing you from head to toe. Allow your breath to slow down as much as feels comfortable for you. With each slower, deeper breath, invite in a sense of sleepiness. If you don't feel sleepy yet, that's okay. Just allow yourself to relax further. Know that this gentle transition is leading you toward a night of rich and restorative sleep. Now slowly, shift your attention to your arms and hands. Notice their weight and allow them to relax completely. Observe any sensations in your arms, letting them be, and feel how they change with each breath. Move your awareness down to your legs, letting them sink deeper into relaxation. Feel the muscles in your legs loosen, becoming soft and heavy. Now shift your attention to your back and neck, acknowledging any tension or tightness here. Gently breathe into these areas, accepting any discomfort and allowing it to melt away. Finally, bring your awareness to your head and face. Let all the small muscles in your face, including your jaw, relax. Feel the weight of your head gently resting. And notice any sensations in this area. Let go of any tightness and sink further into this peaceful state. As you continue to relax, keep a gentle focus on either your breath or any sensation in your body, whichever feels more natural and soothing to you. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Kindly guide your attention back to your breath or body and feel joy in the fact that you've noticed this moment. Know that a meditating mind is more restful than a mind that's asleep. Even if you don't fall asleep immediately, by meditating with awareness, you are resting deeply. Let everything be. Let it all come. Let it all go. With each breath, you're transitioning deeper into sleep, allowing your subconscious to carry on this peaceful state throughout the night. Know that even as you drift off, part of your mind remains balanced, calm, and aware, guiding you toward a restful and refreshing sleep. Sleep is coming naturally, gently, and peacefully. You are safe, you are cared for, and you are ready to wake up refreshed and energized in the morning. Good night.